Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn a star motif. Let's start with a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a slip stitch in the first chain. This is how you will form a ring. Now first round will be started with chain 3. That will be counted as first double crochet, 2 double crochets. So total 3 double crochets in the beginning. This is how it will look. Chain 3 and again 3 double crochets. We will repeat this pattern 5 times. 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. At the end we will make a slip stitch. We will have total of 15 double crochets and 5 chain 3 spaces. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Crochet Skills and don't forget to click the bell. Last chain 3 and make a slip stitch on the top of chain 3. That was our first double crochet. Now make another slip stitch. This is how it will look. The first round is completed. It's looked like a flower. Now in the second round it will be shaped into a star. Make a slip stitch in the second double crochet and a single crochet to begin the round. Now jump into the chain 3 space and make a double crochet and 2 more double crochets, so total 3 double crochets. Now make a treble, yarn over twice, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2-3 times. This is how you will make a treble crochet. Chain 1, 2 and 3 and make a slip stitch on the top of the treble. As you can see, make a slip stitch. This will call the picket. Now on the other side I will work the same pattern, a treble crochet and 3 double crochets. So it will be a little pointy. First treble. This is how we will shape it, and now 3 double crochets. 1 treble and 3 doubles on one side, a picket in between. This is done. Now make a single crochet in the central double crochet. This is how it will look. As you can see, it's a pointy side. Now again jump into chain 3 and repeat the same pattern. 3 double crochets, 1 treble and a chain 3 picket on the top of the first treble, and then on the other side of the picket we will work again 1 treble crochet and 3 double crochets. As you can see how I am working, we will repeat it 3 more times. As you can see how I am working, it's very easy. This is how I will repeat it. I hope you will like my video and can understand my pattern easily. All the sides are completed. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet we have made at the start of this round. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.